In today's episode of Adventure Cooking, we're making simply delicious, healthy and full of protein shrimps with spinach and avocado. Let's get into it. Alright, you're gonna need shrimps. Go buy some if you don't have any, pull them out of the fridge and leave them for a while to defrost. You can speed up the process with hot water. Once they're ready, they need to be cleaned. Grab your shrimp and start peeling off the scales. When it's done, separate head from the body and you're gonna see some red or orange stuff inside that you don't wanna taste. Trust me, I tried. Rinse it with hot water, make sure there is nothing left inside, and that's how your shrimp should look like when you're done. Do the same process with all your shrimps. Now they're ready to be marinated. Get your grill started. It's better if you use firewood. Shrimps will taste so much better. Get back to the table and cut a few pieces of garlic. Press the pieces with a knife to get more juice. Start adding some salt to your shrimps. From here it gets hot. We're gonna add some spices. We'll start with the black pepper. The next one is rosemary leaves. Add as much as you like. And we will finish it up with complete seasoning. Now, let's add those pieces of garlic that we cut before and pour some oil on top of it. We use avocado oil and you can use whichever you like. Mix them up with spoons or kitchen tongs and leave them marinating for a while. Now, let's see what's going on with our grill. Before putting your shrimps on the grill, make sure you put some oil on the grid using pastry brush. This way your shrimps won't stick to the grid. And remember, no direct fire, we only need heat. And now, it's finally time to start grilling our shrimps. Using kitchen tongs, start putting shrimps on the grid one by one and try not to drop any inside the grill. It happens. Lay them next to each other, they're gonna look so good together. You can go ahead and fill the whole grill with shrimps, keeping them separate from each other. This way you get more efficiency. Keep in mind, they're cooking pretty fast. Of course, it depends on your heat, so I would recommend watching them until they're fully cooked. There is no exact time for this unless you've been doing this exactly the same process consistently. In a short period of time, start checking on the first ones that you put out. Grab kitchen tongs and start turning them over to see if they're ready. Looks good, right? Let's keep doing what we're doing. Turn them all over and enjoy the view. Great job, they look amazing and their smell is making you hungry, but don't forget to keep an eye on your firewood and grill. Perfect, everything is under control. Time for the next step. Cut a lemon in half, grab one half and squeeze it over your shrimps. It will make the taste richer and soften your shrimps. Now is the moment we've all been waiting for. Our shrimps look orange and crispy. Grab kitchen tongs and start putting them on a plate one by one. Start with the first one that you put out. Patiently make your way to the last ones. Make sure they all look the same and don't touch them with your hands. They're really hot. Once they're all on your plate, you can relax and take a picture for your Instagram. Make your friends and followers jealous in a good way. Head back to the table, grab a whole avocado and slowly cut it in half. When it's done, take it with your both hands and split it in two pieces. Leave one side and start peeling off the other. You shouldn't have any problems here. Once it's cleaned, put it on a table, grab your knife and start slicing it. Do the same process with the second half. Grab your shrimp plate and start adding avocado slices all the way around. This way your dish will look more accurate and you can easily take the shrimps and avocados without creating a mess. Now let's have a sample of what we've been cooking this whole time. Grab some crackers, add avocado slice to it, gently spread it with the knife, couple drops of lemon and put a shrimp on top. And that looks just perfect to me. What do you think? Alright, go ahead, don't be shy, grab a sample. We're gonna let my mom taste it first and give us her honest review. I think she likes it a lot, and you're gonna love it too. It's a great and super healthy snack, a meal for picnics, parties and camping that you can cook fast. Wait a second, we're not done yet. Add some spinach to the side. Start putting crackers all around the plate, creating some kind of wall. Have them next to each other, without caps. So on the bottom you have a layer of spinach and sides and top filled with crackers. And there you have it. Everything you need in one plate. Shrimps, avocado, spinach, crackers, healthy and full of protein meal. You can add some more lemon juice on top if you like and simply enjoy your meal.